Welcome back to DIZHA House of Fashion. Hope you are doing well and hope you are staying safe. So at this period, please make sure you stay safe. Today's episode is going to be based on how to design a neckline using a fabric. This is a neck that I've already cut out. It's a one shape, the one neck, and this is 4.5 inches that I'll be using to make a design around the neck. As you can see, this is 4.5 inches. Then I'll be folding this into two like this, but before then, for me to get the center of this neck, I'll be introducing the ruler, then the chalk. So I'll be shaping it out before placing my plate on it. So the first thing I'll be doing here, I'll fold this into two to get the center. Into two this way, then I'm going to chalk it. So after then, I'll open. I'll come down at least 5 inches. This is my 5 inches. It's 5 inches. This is where it is. So you draw fabric, that's why it's not writing on it. So this is 5 inches. After getting the center, so the next thing I'll be doing here is to take the measurement of 2.5 inches. This is 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Here to the 2.5 inches I'm taking is not constant. If you like, you can make yours 3.5, 4, 5. It depends on how wide you want the design to be. But here I'll be using 2.5 inches. So this is from here to here is 5 inches, from here to here is 2.5 inches. The same thing applicable to this area too. So the next thing I'll be doing is to sketch out the frill. So from here to the center. This is my frill shape. You can see it from here to here. Then after shaping it out this way, the next thing I'll be doing here is to fold this into two. Then I stitch. So I'll be making pleats along this line. So I'll be stitching this first. So I fold it into two, then I will stitch. So I'm done with the stitching. You might be asking that how many lines can you use for the pleat. So let me take the measurement of the lines I'm using, but you can make your own longer than mine. It depends on the fabric. This is 3 yards. You can see. So the total length of this is 3 yards. You can make yours longer than this. It depends on the fabric. The longer this will be, the pleat you're going to put around this space will also be. So the next thing I'll be doing here is to make the pleat. I'll be taking 1/2 inch up. You can see I won't start like this. If I start this way, by the time I want to cut it, this will not join with this and the work will not be neat. So that is why I'll be taking at least 1/2 inch up, then I'll start. I'm at the center now. So you can see, I didn't even use it finish. You can see, so I'll cut it out. So if you decide to use all of this, then you may be pretty tighter than this, but this is okay for me. As I'll be cutting the excess out. Then I'll be piping this area. I'll be piping it in with a bias. Now it does no more of this now. So this is the work, this is the piping that I'm trying to tell you. But if you want to know details about how to pipe, I'll put the link under the description of this video, so you should watch it there. And that is all about this design. If you're watching me for the first time, please at the end of this video don't forget to subscribe, and if you've subscribed already, click on playlist for more videos. So bye.